Serums are potent elixirs that deliver a concentration of powerful active ingredients to the skin and are the backbone to the Face Reality Clear Skin System. We don't believe in shortcuts, so we don't skimp on the development or the ingredients. We have developed serums with premium ingredients to deliver superior results. Our serums do not wear a cape, but they are our superhero product for clearing acne. Your serum should be applied after cleansing and toning. When applying your serum, follow these steps. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto your hand. Using your fingertips, apply thoroughly all over the entire face. Let it fully absorb, then move on to the next step in your routine. If you're using a vitamin A serum followed by Acne Med, wait 15 minutes before applying Acne Med. Vitamin A is the only serum that requires a wait.